Standing 33 stories into the Nairobi skyline, the UAP Towers has been described as the flagship of UAP Old Mutual's real estate asset class in Kenya and indeed in East Africa. The building, which is capped by a polycarbonate pyramid structure at its apex, has a commanding view of Nairobi as far as the eye can see in all directions. The 163-meter tall tower has earned the distinction of being the tallest building in the country at 5,700 feet above sea level. It has become a definitive landmark in the Upper Hill business area of Kenya's capital city, Nairobi. When Construction Review spoke to the UAP property manager, Patricia Wairimo, she pointed out the fact that UAP Towers has been designed with parking space that is 3 times the legal requirement, which translates to adequate parking facilities to complement the 300,000 square feet office space on offer. The building's scope of work was shell and core, which offers tenants the flexibility to carry out the design and layout and partitioning of their office space. Mr. Simon Mwigai, the Group Facilities Manager of UAP, also pointed out the fact that the building has 8 high-speed Schindler lifts, which will carry occupants to the top floors in 10 seconds, ensuring little or no wait time. It also has 2 backup generators with a capacity of 900 kVA in case of any power cuts. The building also has a borehole on site to supplement the mains water supply and a reverse osmosis treatment plant that has a capacity of 40,000 liters per hour. As added security, the building has controlled parking to allow tenants to only access their designated parking spaces, and a mains UPS to ensure that all security functions operate normally during power cuts. Pressurized stairwells have been installed which ensure smoke-free escape access for tenants in the unlikely event of a fire. During a launch at the UAP Towers, Patricia had this to say to the guests.
So we are very excited, and we are saying to you as a group that we are committed to this market. We are committed to you as a tenant. We are committed to working with you and service at first-class level. One of you asked me earlier, is this granite the real thing? I also had asked someone, did any one of you do that on the timber? That look familiar? And you asked me, what's that? It is the real thing. It is granite, it is timber, it is designed to last for the longest time.
During the same event, the lead architect from Triad, Mr. James Gitoho, also addressed the invited guests.
Why is it so much stonework? Why is it so much closed in? And to me, it's an attitude of appreciation. On one hand, we are used to glass buildings, and that's an importation to this country. When you're in a tropical climate, and especially today, you are experiencing the highest heat gains you can ever get in a building.
He went on to point out the fact that the building has no air conditioning, but promises to maintain a comfortable ambient temperature nonetheless.